Disclaimer: this is purely for educational purpose only. I am not responsible for any actions done by you.
Hello guys, welcome back to Code Santa. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing hacks and pranks for students. It might be useful for anyone out there. So watch this video till the end. I have given the timestamps in the description. Do check it out. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First thing I am going to talk about is finding someone's saved passwords. Whenever you enter your login credentials in any site, you will be prompted a dialog box asking you to save your passwords, right? If you accept it, then your passwords are saved in the browser, and whenever you try to log in back, you don't have to type the password by yourself because it is already saved. Now, how to find these passwords?
Okay, now go to any website. I am going to facebook.com. Now, if you have agreed to save your password, then it appears directly when you visit this site. Now, move to password box. Right click and click on inspect. Change the type attribute from password to text. Voila! Now you can find anyone's saved passwords.
Second thing I am going to show you is how to shut down any computer connected to your network remotely from your own computer. You can use this trick to prank your friends in your computer lab.
Okay, now go to start and search command prompt. Right click and click on run as administrator. Enter the admin password if asked. Now type shutdown -i and hit enter. A dialog box pops up. Enter the IP address of the computer you want to shut down remotely. To find the IP address of any computer, you can use the command ipconfig in that computer. Once you have the IP address, type it and click OK. That's it. Your friend's computer will shut down automatically.
Coming to the third hack. Have you ever wondered what is the first thing that runs when you switch on your computer? In Windows, there is a folder named Startup folder, which is the first thing to run as soon as the system is turned on. So if you paste shortcuts of any application in the Startup folder, it will run automatically every time you switch on your computer. Let me show you what you can do with it.
Okay, firstly, let's create a simple batch file. New text document, rename it to anything.bat. Right click, edit. In the text file, type the following. And save it. And copy this file. Now press Windows key plus R and type cell:startup. The startup folder opens. Now paste the bat file as shortcut. Now to test it, restart your computer and a box opens as soon as your system is restarted, saying that you are an idiot. You can use shortcut of any file you want. If you use this code instead of echo, every time someone tries to open his computer, it will automatically shut down. If you use this code, guess what? Notepad is opened again and again till your system runs out of memory. I advise not to try this as it is extremely dangerous and crashes the system.
Fourth trick helps you to escape from assignments and deadline. Your deadline is approaching and you haven't completed your project yet? Don't worry. Use fake file generator to generate corrupted files in any format and upload it. Now you got some more time to finish your project. When the professor tries to open the file, it will display a message like, "You can't open this file. So he will ask you to send the project again. This time you can send the completed project. Or if you are tired of writing assignments, then you can use Saurabh's text to handwriting converter. This tool helps you to create your assignments as handwritten copies. I have given the link in the description. Coming back to last part of this video, when you connect your mobile data with laptop or your computer, have you noticed that your data is draining so fast when it is connected via hotspot? 50% of your data is lost just in 5 minutes. If you are encountering this problem, then this method is going to be a lifesaver for you. To get rid of this problem, just follow these steps.
Firstly, go to Start and then click on Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Click on Properties of the Wi-Fi connected. Scroll down and enable Set as Metered Connection. Then close it. Again, go to Start, Settings, click on Privacy, click on Background Apps. Turn off all the apps from running in the background. Once you are done, again go to Start, search for services. Scroll down and double click on Windows Update. Set the startup type as disabled and click on Apply.
That's it guys. If you find this video useful, do like this video and share with your friends. Also comment down your favorite hack or prank that you like to try out of these 5. Do subscribe to Code Santa now because I will be uploading more videos like this. Feel free to connect with me on Instagram.